let's have a look at lists. So lists are, as I said, part of the library. So they sit inside the library page, just under this section. And we show the top 5 lists, the most recently updated here. And each list has a tile with a set of thumbnails from the contents of the list. So I can go and see all of them here. And then if I want to go and see the content on any of them, I can just click, and it shows me, just the same things that I would normally, the same details that I would normally see in the library. So I go back here. Now, if I want to create a list, I just click on create list, and I'm just going to call it demo list. Okay, so it creates the list and it puts me here so I can add content. So add content, so I can add content, I can only add content from the library to a list, or from another list, which is of course part of the library as well. So I say, yeah, add to the list, and I can just, select some families and say done. Add to list. Okay, so now these families are part of my list. And yeah, so managing families in lists is pretty much the same as managing them in the library. There are two two things to bear in mind. So the first one is when I want to remove a family, it offers me this third choice. So delete item from the library and any lists. So that's going to remove the underlying family from the library as well as from my list. And this one is just going to remove it from my list. So it's no longer in my list. Not that one. Okay. Yeah, never mind. So the other thing is, if I unapprove a family, it will get removed from the list. And so whenever you unapprove, or it will remove that family from any lists. No. So removing anything from Kinship just removes it from Kinship. So removing it from a list doesn't even remove it from the library necessarily. But no, when you remove anything from Kinship, it does not touch any Revit files that it's in. And so you can remove families from the library and they will continue to be in the, wherever they are in the Revit file, the Revit file.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, I can add all of these families to another list or to a collection. I can also remove the list. So if I remove the list, I get the same kind of 3 options. So again, I can remove the list and all its contents from the library, or I can remove the list from the library. So in this case, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to say remove list from library. So now my list is gone, and but the families are still there. They're still in the library.